And then I'm just gonna put it in here so it doesn't fall over while I wipe down my scissors. All right, so now we're at step 19. Place a single drop of Congo red on the slide just inside the labeled edge. See figure 16. So I'll grab a second slide. It doesn't say to, but in the image it shows 3 neg m, so that's what I will label my slide. And I'll do it on this. So now we'll just want to put 1 drop of our Congo red onto the slide at the top near the label. All right. So now we're at step 20. Gather a second sterile swab and vigorously scrape the inside of your teeth and gums. And then place the swab into the drop of Congo red stain and agitate the sample to transfer cells from the swab into the stain. So we'll be using the second swab from our packet. And do the same thing, just vigorously scrub near the gum line until, I don't know, I'm gonna do it for like 20 seconds. And then, so we're going to mix it into our stain to transfer cells. Make sure to move your swab around so you get all the different surfaces and transfer as many cells as you can. So now we're at step 21. Locate a clean blank slide as shown in figure 17 and place the slide at a 30-degree angle to come into contact and to spread the dye across the slide. So this is figure 17. So what we'll want to do is, so at a slight angle, try to do this so that you guys can see. You're just gonna slowly spread it across the slide. And so that's what my slide looks like. And I guess I should pull it all the way across. All right, so now we're at step 22. Allow the slide to completely air dry. Liquid should not be visible on the slide. And then it shows a dry slide as figure 18. So I'm going to allow that to air dry and then I'll be right back. All right, so my slide has dried and this is what it looks like. So I'll just show you the blank slide to compare. So it's like a faint pink color. And then you can see the cells on it. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up though. Oh, there we go. So you can see spots were thicker where I didn't spread it out as much, but you can still see like little cells. within the slide. Yeah, there. So the point of spreading it across the slide is so that you get a really thin layer of cells, so that when you're looking at it under the microscope, you can see individual cells, because these spots where you can see like the clumps, let's see if I can, so like see where at the end where there's large areas where it's cloudier, I guess, that's where there's lots of cells stacked on top of each other, and it would be hard to see individual cells under the microscope. All right, so we're at step 23. Take a photo of your prepared slide and upload your image into photo 3. Step 24, a microscopic image of a direct stained mouth sample is provided in photo 4. And then step 25 is make observations of the specimen, including color and visible structures, and record your observations into data table 1. And so then we're done with exercise 1, and you'll want to do cleanup and then answer the questions. And so for cleanup, it says soak the stained slides in swabs in undiluted bleach, and then wrap in paper towels and dispose of in the garbage. All right, so I'm just gonna use this Pyrex dish for my bleach, and you might want to open the windows because bleach can be very strong smelling. So I'm just gonna pour some bleach to make a bath for my waste slides to sit in. So just stick it in the bleach, make sure it's submerged. And then I suppose the blank slide as well. And then you'll want to put your swabs in the bleach as well. And just make sure they get submerged. And so you could just take this outside, because I would recommend letting it sit in the bleach for 10 minutes before you dispose of it, so your whole house doesn't smell like bleach. And then we can get started on exercise 2.